There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be. But they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn. But they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you. It's a new
No. So yes, peeps, it's the man Olifire 777, back at it again. Yep. So tonight I'm gonna steam some fish, okra and crackers. Yeah, just come in the night here. And I'll start out with, so here I have my big season, tomato, carrot, I have an Irish, an onion, an okra, garlic, escallion, pepper, thyme, yes, and another seasoned pepper here. And my water crackers, Excelsior, water crackers, and some fish over here, so I'm going to mix up quick and fast, and yes, the coconut, and I blend it. Yeah, this is the beauty about living in the Caribbean. Yeah, because I come in and I never have no coconut, so I just went around the back in the night here. And if you can see, apparently you can't see, there's a coconut tree around the back there. So I'm just run there, pick 2 coconuts and cook them out at the same time. That's the beauty of living in the Caribbean. So just stay tuned, stick and stay with me as we sort out them here. So I'm going to blend the coconut now and get back to you. Just stay tuned and remember, one fire, all fire.
Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always prey on the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you.
Yes, babe, so cut up the tomato, get into the carrots. Yep, that is it. It's after 9 or almost 10 o'clock. Not a time to fish it, but steamed fish is not long to cook still, so it's a 1-2. Yeah. If you know what you're doing, you're going to take more time to complete it. Okay, carrots. And my Irish potato. Yeah, the Irish eat body. Also give it a nice flavor. Yep, that is it. Now if you use it on fast. Yeah. Yes, babes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Watch your video, please like it. Please like it. Yeah. And like the video, spread more. That's it. More people get to see it. Yeah. Yes, please. Yeah, so garlic time, cut up the garlic. Love to use enough garlic too in the food. Garlic is antibiotic. Yeah. This is natural seasons. Yeah. Garlic and hot to burn my knife. Whoa. them cook already. So that can't take too long, cut up on the board, so I'm just hold it and slice it like that for the side way. Yeah. Good amount of okra cause I love enough okra pan. And fish. Okra good for man back. Yeah. Okra have a little medicinal use also. Let's look it up. You will see. If you want some late now, I'm gonna get some meringue, a meringue bush, or meringue leaf and cut it up in there too. I love using meringue. Meringue is a superfood full of vitamin, calcium, mineral and iron. And meringue seed carry more vitamin and iron than any pill, any vitamin pill. Yeah. So see the pepper here. The pepper. I use 2 pepper because the pepper here not so hot. Cut up even the seed in it. Not really hot. I'm gonna manage. Yeah. What is this thing called? I don't even know what kind of pepper this, but I didn't have any sweet pepper as we call it in Jamaica. I guess you guys call it bell pepper elsewhere. In Jamaica we say sweet pepper. Yeah. Depends on the sweet pepper, so I just grab this at the corner store. Pips, put it like that. So all the thyme leave now, you know the thyme, give it a good flavor. Yeah, so once I got the leafy part of the thyme, now the touch part. And here is my seasoning. As I said, this is a nice seasoning mix. Not gonna tell you what I use, it's some secret ingredients. Yeah. Just a secret ingredient. Season the fish. Yeah. That is it. So I have one little fish and 2 snappers, a big one and a small one and a grunt. Yeah. I get it from local fishermen. And fish me use. Must be local. I don't go to the supermarket and buy fish. I don't believe in them frozen fish that will come from somewhere over the world. I mean, no. I mean, not burning out you guys will have to use it, but I'm in the Caribbean, so I get fresh fish to use. That's the beauty about living in the Caribbean. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. That is it. So, take a sip. Yep, that is it. You know, one thing I get when I cook, I have to be sipping on something just to hold a bite. That is just my thing. So, one stick with me, stick and stay. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. One fire, all fire. So yes, peeps, so here is the coconut milk. Yes, real natural coconut milk. So I use a good amount of it. Yeah. I'm gonna put all of this in the pot and let it boil up. You know, coconut milk is something need to boil good. If it not boil good, you run a belly. So I'm gonna get it boil good, and then I'm gonna put the fish. I'm gonna put the vegetable in it first. The vegetable go and boil before vegetable cook a little bit before I'm gonna put in the fish. So just stick and stay with me. The coconut milk is boiling up. So put in the seasoning there, vegetables really, put in there, natural seasoning, cook a bit. You know the fish, easier to steam. Boil up, water boil over it. Well, it cook. So, yeah. So that. Now one of my use, one on the camera thing. So see it there? So you can use a spoon or a fork to stir it. Just like that. I keep going. Simmer down. Cover it back. And that is it. So stay tuned. So yes peeps, see the pot boiling up now. So I'm gonna put the fish in it now. Yeah. That is it. See? That is it. Yeah, so one big one and all that, so and cover up. Cover up. Yeah. See it like this? So look at that. Cover up with my coconut milk. Wow. Yep. So let's cover it up back. Keep going, simmer down. Simmer down. Control your temper. And right now the fire is on it up on real high. So I'm gonna turn it all the way down. Slow cook. And I cook food and I really rush it. Slow cook food. Even this still too high. Turn it down some more. Yeah, just that. Fish steam, not cook like food. So yes, babes. See. Mad. That is it. Alright, so give it a couple minutes and then it's ready for the crackers then. So yes peeps, the fish them cook. So it's time to put in the water crackers now. Time to put in the crackers. Excelsior Jamaican water crackers. Yep. Yeah. So yeah, put in the crackers then. Okay. Get ready. So just stay tuned as I say I use one hand, so stick and stay and watch what I go on. Yep. Just watch what I go on peeps as we sort out this because I get late now. Should have took a long time. Yeah. This place is not going to be a nice line background, just the other tenants. This is game. So to share an apartment for the Jamaican. You know when we're Jamaican then, be nice. I will stand out like a middle finger. You know we stand out like a middle finger. Yep. Yep. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You know what I say? Like every video. Yes. You right on this up? Click like. Yes. Click like on it. Yeah. Yeah, so it's almost ready now. Just make them crackers here. Smoke a bit. Let's trust me. It's all mud! And pepper on. I really hot tonight. Pepper. Hot. Yes, peeps. I'm not advertise for Excelsior, but Excelsior water crackers. Yeah, I eat. So as I say, when you're in the kitchen, you're sipping, always remember to sip on something. Drink at home, not on the road, not while driving. Don't drink and drive. You know say? Drink at your yard. When you drink at your yard and you feel tipsy, you go sleep. You get me I say? Yeah. Yeah, and if you allow no hypocrite Christian. If Jesus have a problem with drinking, if Jesus had a problem with drinking, he wouldn't turn water into wine. Yeah. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. One fire, all fire. So yes, peeps, see it here now. Yeah. Yeah. So everything ready now. Fish them there. So I'm gonna share some of the food I'll give one of my friend. Yeah, it's after 10 now. Yeah. Yeah, so if I bring up here before me even eat. So just stay tuned. I'll show me share it out. So yes, peeps. Yes, food is ready. The food is ready. Yep. That is my steamed fish with okra. Some okra then. Yeah. Get into it. Tastes real good. And the fish. Just right. Tastes good. So people, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Because after 10 now I should even eat so late, but I'm hungry. I'm on the road all day. And didn't eat much. I didn't drink water and juice because the time hot. Yeah. So, I'm gonna mash up the food and chill out a little bit. Then I'll get some sleep. So I'm gonna say, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Do what I love and love what I do. One fire, all fire. Peace out.
Not afraid to love. I'm gonna go where my heart is. From now on, I'm being honest. I'm gonna show that I got this love, 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 love. 'Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always prey on the lonely, but with you here, nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. Not afraid to love you. Not afraid to love you. There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million.